Hey guys, this is Brandon here with Brandon Detail Doctor, and I just want to say have a happy day, and of course, God bless y'all. But I'm gonna talk about my pressure washer setup and how I run the pump and how it's able to work, and I'll get to that shortly. This is my battery charging station. This is what I use to run my water pump. And I bought this from Batteries Plus for 60 bucks. It's a lead battery. I connect it to the charging ports, of course, negative and then positive. And then this tells me how much charge I have is fully charged. So for example, I'll take it off, it goes to 0. And this is great. I bought it from Amazon for I think 30 bucks. So when you connect, it says what it has. You push the button here, and it starts to charge again. It'll be done quick because it's already fully charged. And it doesn't take that long. It takes about 6 hours for the battery when I use I would say 3 or 4, or more than that, 5 cars. And it goes down to 13.9 and at the second hand. So that's what that is. Caesar. This is Caesar the Bulldog. Brandon Detail Doctor Dog. He's the one that's the face of the company. He just turned 7. So when I opened my business, I used his face. My wife came up with it. This is our funny logo. And he was young. And it has some detail doctor and packages from India, Instagram, Facebook, yep. Yeah. And that's what we offer. Front and back. So that's complete detail service package. That's the complete one. Mini detail. It had some damage from putting it on top of my water tank. Interior cleaning. Exterior. Put that stuff on the bottom. There's no prices because prices are always changing. I have a couple apps that I use for my business. I pay for Pocket Suite, and I do highly recommend it to book clients, receive payments. It's definitely a go-to for the industry for making sure that you get your customers signed up and all ready to go for their details. When they make their appointments, if they cancel, they will be charged a fee if they wait to the last moment. So it's really good and convenient. I do highly recommend it. We'll go over that in a separate video. But business is always busy. So now I'm going to start doing some videos for YouTube and so forth, maybe TikTok. Let's see. So this is what we got going on here. This is my 250-gallon water tank. I definitely like this tank, but it does carry a lot of weight. And I usually don't take it past like 200. There's around 250 right there. And this is how I release the water valve. I just pull this and it opens. I have a T-valve right here. One goes to my water hose. It's connected all the way up here. It comes down and it goes around under there to my reel. So I have a North Star pump. I bought this at Northern Tools. 4.0 per minute per gallon, the water. I mean, I had a gas pressure washer before, but this works really good with my ARBlue 630 total stop protection pump on that pressure washer. It's really good. And then I have another valve that I don't have to turn the pump on, and the water comes out whenever I open it. And I release the water right there to fill up my buckets. I had another one going in the tank, but Garage One, they moved, so I don't have an opportunity to get my water filled up there, so I'm doing it at Sundial right now. which I have to remove the sign board, which I showed you earlier. So yeah, guys, this is the reel I'm talking about. Right now it's a little bit sunny, hard to see. It's a general pump, which is what I use for my pressure washing needs, and it's 50 foot. And this is the beauty right here, the ARBlue 630. It's an electric pressure washer, and it uses a lot of amps, so I need a good power source to connect that. There, right there is where I connect all my plugs and wires. Yeah, so it works great, and then I'll fire it up sometime you guys can see it. I love it. This pressure washer was a nightmare to attach the water hose and also pressure washer reel hose. This one was fine, but this had to connect properly with no tape. And I actually worked on it for a day or so trying to get it done. I had some help, because everybody knows that you need Teflon tape for piping, but it's not exactly the certain thread. Thread connects to itself. So yeah, that's a lesson learned. And then I have my gun here. I just drilled, this is the only section I have left to attach the gun. I was doing it here, but it kept moving around, hitting the door. So it definitely wasn't safe. And I also have another pressure washer holder here. This helps I don't have to lay it on the ground. So this is our setup. It's awesome. Hope you guys are getting this nice quality video, so we can start doing more videos, day in the life of a detailer, product review, you name it, guys, we can do it. This is my little setup in here. We'll go more involved later. I have everything. It works out awesome. And everything's connected to reels and also a remote. Remote is here. And those are all the remote switches connected to all of the things. So yeah, for watching my video, and then we will make more